Nick Rudder from McKees 37. In this video, I'm going to showcase our Graphene Auto Wash and our Hydro Graphene ceramic coating. Two products that will change the way you detail your vehicle. Graphene Auto Wash is a hyper-concentrated formula that creates mountains of suds so you can safely wash your vehicle without instilling swirl marks or scratches. Add a few ounces to your 5-gallon wash bucket, which I always use our Carolina detailing cart so I'm not bending down. Activate the suds and wash away. What you'll notice about this formula is that it produces mountains of suds, like I mentioned, but also the fact that it provides a slick barrier of lubrication to prevent wash-induced swirl marks and scratches. Rinse the vehicle off to remove loose dirt and debris, and then grab your wash mitt after dunking it in the Graphene Auto Wash, and starting at the top and working your way down, wash one panel at a time, and then reload your wash mitt frequently. Now here's the deal with Graphene Auto Wash. Like our other washes, it's safer to wash the entire vehicle before rinsing it. And what I mean by that is that water creates water spots. Soap does not create water spots. Don't try this with the other guy's stuff, but with Graphene Auto Wash, wash the entire vehicle before rinsing it off. It's perfectly okay if the soap dries. As a matter of fact, it's better to let the soap dry than water, because once again, water, not soap, creates water spots. Graphene Auto Wash can be used with any type of protective wax, sealant, or coating. It's going to add its own shine, and it's going to add some graphene protection as well. You'll love this formula because of the way it smells and the suds it produces. Here's a time lapse of Graphene Auto Wash drying on the surface. Once again, you'll see that suds are reduced as the soap dries. It's better to let the soap dry than water, because water creates water spots, not soap. So in this example, I'm letting it dry before I rinse it off with a hose, and then I dry it with a towel. But here I am rinsing the entire vehicle using our fire hose nozzle. This guy has an adjustable pattern. You can do a very strong jet or a wide fan pattern like I'm using here. Once you rinse the entire vehicle, grab your bottle of Hydro Graphene. You're going to hold that in one hand and hold your hose nozzle in the other, and working one panel at a time, spray 3 to 4 mists of Hydro Graphene on the surface and immediately rinse with the fire hose nozzle. It's instantly going to activate the water beading, and water is going to just fly right off the surface. And as you work on like a door, for example, rinse the panels to the left and to the right of the door as well, especially on a windy day like I'm doing here. Once again, it only takes 3, 4, sometimes 5 sprays if the panel's large to completely coat it. It's water activated, so when you spray it on, the water disperses it and it forms an electrostatic bond to the surface, and it's going to stick there for quite some time. Apply it to your paint, your glass, your wheels, your plastic trim, your chrome trim, any exterior surface you can use Hydro Graphene. Here I am applying it to the hood, which this is a large panel, so I'm dividing this into 2. Once again, spray it on and immediately rinse it off. You'll notice that I don't even turn my hose nozzle off. You want to work quickly as you go around the entire vehicle, being mindful of overspray. So you want to rinse panels that are next to whatever panel that you're working on. Spray it on and rinse it off. It's going to supercharge your existing ceramic coating, and it's compatible with all products, all manufacturers, or you can use it as a standalone protective wax coating for your non-wax vehicle. So Hydro Graphene is flexible no matter how you apply it. It's fast, it's easy, and it produces relentless water beading. Hydro Graphene is essentially a supercharged version of our famous Hydro Blue ceramic coating. It combines ultra-refined Hydro Graphene ceramic resins that produce an even harder, thicker coat of protection. This makes it the longest lasting, most durable spray and rinse ceramic coating offered in the McKees 37 line. Use it on automobiles, boats, RVs, submarines, helicopters, anything that you want to protect. Once again, simply spray it on and rinse it off. Produces instant gratification and long-lasting protection. Last but not least, once you coat the entire vehicle, you're going to dry the surface. Here I'm using our 30 by 50 inch Glacier 1100 microfiber drying towel. Throw it across the hood, and with one pass, it's going to dry all the water. That's one of the many benefits of having a ceramic coating, whether regular or graphene, on your vehicle, is it makes it much, much easier to dry. These towels are actually 2 towels sewn together. They're a whopping 1100 GSM, so they'll dry a panel in just one pass. And then for all the nooks and crannies, I'll use the Mini Car Dryer Pro. This guy is made in USA. It blows heated, filtered air that blasts water out of the cracks and crevices, places where no towel could ever reach. It's made in USA, and it has a filter so you're not blasting dirt and debris onto your freshly ceramic-coated vehicle. And it has a rubber tip, so if accidental contact occurs, you're much less likely to cause any damage. Simply turn it on, and you'll blast the water out of the cracks, crevices, door handles, and anywhere else that water hides. It's lightweight, only weighs a few pounds, and has a long 25-foot power cord. So that's the Mini Car Dryer Pro. And once again, I'm Nick Rudder from the Keys 37. I hope you enjoyed this demonstration of hydrographene ceramic coating, along with our graphene auto wash. Once I'm finished drying it here, you'll see the amazing gloss produced by our hydrographene ceramic coating. For more information on these products, you know how to find us. Take care, God bless, and have a wonderful day.